2nd January 2026, the first live from Madhurima's kitchen.
Hello, welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. So presently I am live from Facebook and Instagram. The page is Madhurima's kitchen, both in Facebook and Instagram. So before I start the live, I wanted to have something. Let me show you. This is the dandi cake. So I am going to prepare a quick beverage, So it's winter time and it's 2nd of December 2026. So first live of 2026, and this is my handmade, not handmade, baked dandi cake. So this is what I have. So what I can have with the dandi cake? Definitely coffee. Though I'm a tea lover, I'm a always tea person, but during winter sometimes I have the coffee. And right now everybody knows that one type of coffee is going viral, so it's crazy. Some people are saying it is possible, some says it is not possible. So this is something like dalgona coffee. Remember that days? I don't want to remember that COVID days, but yes, the dalgona coffee was there. So that time also I prepared the dalgona coffee, and this time this coffee, the taste will be exactly like cappuccino. And this is not a paid promotion. I am using a particular brand of the coffee, that is Nescafe, for this recipe. So what we are waiting for? We are going for the recipe. I'll start the recipe. It's very easy, and do try it at home. So what we have, just arrange the camera and I'll start the recipe. So I have to flip it. You can see, and now I have to flip the camera. Oh, by the way, people are asking me whose handwriting is that? This is my handwriting. So what we have, this is Nescafe I'm using. As I said, this is not the paid promotion or something like that. I'm using the Nescafe in this recipe. That's why I'm showing you the Nescafe. And what else we have? So obviously we have I have some sugar, that is powdered sugar or castor sugar. Basically I'm using castor sugar in this recipe. If you don't have, don't worry about that. You can always use the normal granule sugar. Just it will take time to melt. That's it. And I have the milk. So this is a normal milk. It's a full cream milk, definitely. It will taste better. So I have this hot milk. And second thing, that is lukewarm water. That's it. And obviously we need some coffee. So I'm using this 2 rupees sachet for this recipe. Ulta pulta. So this is Nescafe. And I have this glass, and this is optional. I have some chocolate sauce left over. That's why I'm using it. It's optional. It is not mandatory. So let's try with the recipe at first. Arrange the camera at first. I think it's visible properly. First I will take a bowl. Oh. And this is 2 teaspoons of sugar I am adding. And with that I am using the 2 rupees coffee sachet. Let me show you the 2 rupees coffee sachet. I think you can see it properly. Here we go. The 2 rupees sachet. So I'm using 4 sachet. It is approximate 2 teaspoons. So I'm adding one by one. And this is the 1 cup I am showing it to you, but I have another cup. My parents will be there. That's why I'm using 4 sachet. So adjust the sugar as per your taste bud. I need a little bit of bitter. I don't want the sweetest one, so I'm using this one. And as I said, when I prepare the coffee, you will see it is very easy. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes maximum, not more than that. So let me clear my station, and now I will add the lukewarm water. Why it's lukewarm water, not the cold water? So I am using this much. If it's needed, I'll definitely add more. So this is the procedure. If you don't have any frother, because when I'm making the coffee, I have the frother, but when I am using this technique, I saw it's much more easier to prepare, because everybody has this strainer, the steel strainer you have to use. And another thing, this is what I am showing it to you. This is the dandy cake. If you want to place order, you can always place order through Madhurima's Kitchen. That is, you can find that is in Google Madhurima's Kitchen. My location is Jadavpur, Kolkata. This one, this dandy cake, that is with egg, and I do prepare the eggless. Already I have got the order for 5th February. So that is going to Delhi. That will be the eggless dandy cake. Can you see the color is changing right away? It will be light color, fluffy and light. So it's not yet fluffy. So I have to beat it like this. So it has to be more fluffy. The color will be very light. Then you can understand that the coffee is ready. Basically, I am using the steel bowl or pan so that there won't be any scratch. As you can see, this is the strainer, that is the steel strainer I always use. The color is more lighter right now. So just assemble it. If you, as I said, if you don't have the powder sugar or castor sugar, you can easily do it with the granule sugar. It will take much more time. That's it. Taste will be same. And even if you want, you can use brown sugar also. The baking sugar, brown sugar you can use. So right now it's light. Little bit I have to do it one more time. You know, you can have the cappuccino anytime right now. This is not the Dalgona, I can say, but I remember the Dalgona days. And now this cafe style coffee. It can, by the way, Valentine's Day is coming, so there will be more surprise. During this entire January, February, there will be blueberry muffin, there will be Valentine's soap, there will be Valentine's candle through MaddyBee, or you can check this from Madhurima's Kitchen also. So it's light and fluffy. And last bit. So you can see, when I started it was darker, it was a dark brown, and right now it's light brown. So that is the consistency you need, and that is the color you need for this coffee. The aroma is really heaven. If you're not even a coffee lover, then also you can try it. You will love it. As I said, I am not a coffee lover. I am a tea person, but still I love this recipe. I mean, this coffee. Cappuccino is one of my favorite one. Now it's time to assemble. So it depends. If you don't want bitter taste, use less quantity. So here I want my coffee little bit bitter. That's why I am using almost 3 teaspoons. And now I will add the milk. I did not add anything with the milk, just boil the milk, that's it. So you can see how beautiful it is. So it will look like this. It reminds me of the coffee candle I always prepare. So for the garnish and decoration, I'm adding this and some more thing I want to do with this. Almost done. So I have this, you can start this, that's why it's a starter. And what else I can do? Let's try for something else. Ta-da! Can you see it? I hope you can. So isn't it cafe style? You want to go to cafe or you want to try it at home? What else I can do? Little bit, this is optional. As I love chocolate, that's why I'm adding. If you don't like, don't add. The coffee lover, they won't add this chocolate syrup. They are going to kill me rather. So one more time. You have to start this and little bit of coffee. With the help of strainer, I will add this coffee. So the coffee is done. You can see this coffee. Enjoy this coffee in this winter with this dandi cake. Definitely I'm going to enjoy it. Definitely I'm going to enjoy it, and my parents, they will. So let's talk about that. Just a second. Here I am. So here goes my coffee. Thank you for watching this live. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and show me lots of love. And in the next week, coming week, from Monday, actually from Monday there will be a surprise. I am telling you what is a surprise. So next week you will get a combo offer in Madhurima's Kitchen. You can check from Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen or from Google Madhurima's Kitchen also. So that will be chicken stroganoff with herb rice. That will be a combo offer and it will come less than 199 rupees. So stay tuned for that, Madhurima's Kitchen. And Monday you will get a very cute recipe, a miniature recipe. You will get in Monday, that is in YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So I'm going to enjoy this coffee and this dandi cake. So you can try this coffee at home, make it, and if you want to order, you can always please order this dandi cake. So that's it for today. Next week I'm coming with a new recipe, and do check Madhurima's Kitchen in the next week because there will be chicken stroganoff with herb rice combo, and definitely there will be lots of cakes. So bye.